Welcome back to Afternoon Live. Get ready for a Mother's Day dish that's perfect to serve for her special day this Sunday. Joining us with his special treat for Mama is Chef Stephen Ferneding. Oh, look at you, all dapper again.
Oh, hi, Trey. How are you doing?
I am doing well, thank you. It's good to see you again in your kitchen.
Good to see you, too. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. I will receive all of that. And so what are you making for me on Sunday?
Well, so I actually, this dish is one of my mom's favorite dishes. I asked her, I was like, what is your all-time dish? And so this is it. And
So shout,
I
you
made
have
this
to
for...
shout Mom out. Tell everybody who Mom is.
Hi, Mom. Yeah, so she loves this dish. It's steamed clams with white wine sauce, cherry tomatoes, and garlic. It's very nice, very fresh. You can really taste the clams. And then the Chardonnay from the wine brings out that sweetness and the flavoring of all the seafood.
Okay, so what do we need in order to make this besides the clams and the wine?
No problem. All right, so the first most important thing that a lot of people forget to do is you want to rinse out the clams.
Okay.
So to do that, it's a very specific way to do it. You just fill a bowl up with a little water.
Okay.
And then add in just some sea salt.
Mm-hmm.
And then you just kind of swirl that around, and then they sit in there. And you wait about 15, 20 minutes, and then rinse them out and do it again. And then before you start cooking, you want to actually rinse them off. Just make sure there's no little sand in there, because this dish is a little different. We're actually making a sauce with the clams at the same time instead of steaming them in water and then transferring them over.
I see. Okay, so 2 times with the salt bath, and then you rinse them again.
Times.
And okay. 3 times with the salt bath, and then you rinse them again, and then you're ready.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to start with is the garlic, and we're just going to toss that in. I melted some butter in here, and then I'm going to add in some shallots. Just want to give that a nice little toss.
Okay.
And then you can start to smell how the garlic is starting to release a nice garlic smell.
Okay.
All right. So now I'm going to add in some dried herbs. These are just Italian seasonings, a little red chili pepper.
Okay. So is it spicy?
And then it has a little kick. You can totally admit it if you want, but it's nice little.
No, we'll keep it in there. Hopefully it won't be overpowering. It's fine.
Yeah, no, it's nice. All right, so then we're going to add in our Chardonnay. We're going to do about a cup of that. And then this is going to start to boil really fast.
Okay.
And so as it does that, we're going to add a little vegetable stock.
Okay.
All right, just a little more flavor. Okay, and then we're going to add in the cherry tomatoes. And then I'm going to add in a little fresh herbs and some lemon zest.
What are those herbs? What are those?
Oh, yeah. So I have parsley, basil, and dill.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So I'm just squeezing some lemon juice in there.
Mm-hmm. Careful of the seeds.
Yeah. Absolutely. You don't want to be seeds. All right. And then you're going to toss in the clams.
Oh, okay. How many clams would you suggest?
Well, about a pound to pound and a half per person. It depends. These are little neck clams, but they're this big. So
okay.
It really depends. I mean, and they're big inside as well. So it's, depending on how many you want. But for this recipe, a pound and a half is great.
Sounds good. And then you cover it immediately.
Yep. Okay. And so you want to cook that for about 8 minutes.
Okay.
And then depending on the size, if they're a little smaller, they'll probably pop open a little faster. And then...
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that trick. They pop open when they're done.
They do.
It creeps me out, Stephen.
The very important thing about that is if they don't open, don't eat them.
Don't eat them. Okay, thank you.
Them, yeah.
Yeah, we need that.
They didn't make the cut.
Okay.
So. All right. All right. So as the sauce keeps cooking down, everything opens up really nice.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Pour that on. Mix that in.
Okay.
And then sprinkle with some fresh herbs. And then I chop up fresh dill in just like nice little chunks. And that just adds so much flavor when you take a bite of the
So you do it
clams.
while you're cooking it and even when you've taken the clams
Right.
out. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, you want to keep releasing all the flavors of the herbs into the sauce as it's cooking. So the longer you cook with the dried herbs in it, it's gonna add even more and more flavor as you keep cooking it.
Okay.
So, and then I just toss it with a little lime juice and good to go.
And that's that?
That's that.
Oh my gosh, it's
a very
so
easy dish.
simple, but it looks like it's
Yeah.
going to be delicious. I think mothers
It is,
around
yeah.
around the whole Pacific Northwest right now are salivating. Thank you,
I
Stephen.
hope so.
And tell your
All
mother
right,
I
thank you.
said Happy
Yeah.
Mother's Day.
I will for sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
All
I'll talk
right.
to you later.
Now, you know, Stephen has a cookbook called Trading Dishes, and we'll have more information on it and this recipe on our website at KATU.com. Don't go away. We'll be right back.